Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel ProgTech. Today in this tutorial we will learn about the functions in PHP. PHP have the 1000 plus built-in functions just like string functions and many more functions. So many functions in the PHP that are built in. But today we will discuss about the user-defined function, the function that we want. For example, we want to make an plus function, then we can. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to design the function of our own choice, of our own requirements. So, first of all, I'll the function for the function. First of all, the you would had the right to the function is that is a built-in variable or the keyword function. To initiate the function, write the function. This is the keyword of the PHP. After this, write the name of the function. For example, I write the name of function is print or show. And after this, you have open the curly braces for the functions. And here write that dollar sign x is equal to 5 and echo the dollar sign x. After this, we have now we create a function of the show, and we give the value of 5 to dollar sign x, and after that we echo the dollar sign x. Now it's time to call the function because when we create the function, we must have to call it. Otherwise, it can't show as a data or it's can't working. To make the function in working, we must have to call our function. Now our function is show. For calling in the PHP, just write the name of the function after the curly braces of the function, and that is my function. And now this is function. We save the file and go to our browser and check the. This is my first file, and sorry, now it's good file. It gave us the result of 5. Means that our function is working correctly. Now it's time to how to pass the arguments to our function. Uh, let's suppose that we want to create the we want to create an add function. For example, we want to create make it the name add or anything you want to. And now we pass the argument. That's why, well, first of all, delete them. Now we want to pass the argument to our function. And for our passing the argument, and I say that dollar sign x and dollar sign y. These are the my two arguments that I give to my the add function. Now we pass the two argument dollar sign x and dollar sign y. Now we want to add the values of these two argument. Then we have to write that dollar sign y and equal to dollar sign x plus dollar sign dollar sign y, and we make it z because we already used y and we want to assign it, and I equal this dollar sign z. Now we will give the values to that function. Here I call the function. First of all, my function name is add, and now it's time to give the values. And we separate these two values by the help of commas. If we have three values, then we use the three commas, two commas. Means that if I put here the first value, then this first value assigned to this, and second assigned to this. Similarly, third assigned to third variable, and fourth assigned to fourth variable. And let's suppose that I assign it 10, and dollar sign I assign the 12 to the dollar sign. Why now it's give me the result of 22. We and use the semicolon. Now you go to our browser and check out the result of this, and this is my for loop, and this it gave me the result of 22. Means that my function working correctly. You can also use the return value in the function. Means that here we if you use the return dollar sign z. Now how this function works, when we give these are two arguments. When we give the values 10 and 12, these 10 assigned to dollar sign x and dollar sign y. After this I made them plus, when these are add to each other, they are stored to dollar sign y z. And I asked them that this function only return me the dollar sign z, means that not echo, only return. It's return me the dollar sign z, means that it give me the 10. Now it's my duty to show this or echo this return value. So in echo this return value, make it another variable or direct echo, but I'll make another variable q and say that this, and now echo the dollar sign q. You can also echo directly here, but I make an variable. It's your own choice to how you can manage your work. And control s, save it, and go to our browser and check the result. So I give the 22 result again, but for your better understanding, I make it 100. Sorry, make it 100 in order to change our result. And now to go to browser and refresh our page. Now it's give me the result 112, 112. In this way, our return function work. You can give the so many arguments to the functions, mean that 100 or means that 3, 5, 4 according to your own needs, and give them the values by the help of this by calling the function to these respective variables. These are the basic function of the PHP, that how you can initiate the function in PHP, or how you can manage these functions. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.